Hello and welcome to Vic Green Living. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 simple ways to reduce your carbon footprint. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly videos. Now let's get started. The first way to reduce your carbon footprint is to switch to energy-efficient light bulbs. Not only do they use less energy, but they last longer too. Secondly, reduce your meat intake. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, so by cutting back on meat, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Thirdly, try to use public transport more often. Cars are a huge source of carbon emissions, so taking the bus or train instead can make a big difference. Fourthly, buy local produce and products. This reduces the carbon emissions from transportation and supports your local community. Fifth, invest in reusable bags, containers, and water bottles. Single-use plastics are a major contributor to pollution, so choosing reusable options can greatly reduce your impact. Sixth, turn off electronics when you're not using them. This not only saves energy, but it can also save you money on your electricity bill. Seventh, plant trees and support reforestation efforts. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so by planting more of them, we can help reduce our carbon footprint. Eighth, reduce water waste. Fixing leaky taps and taking shorter showers can greatly reduce your water usage and energy needed to heat the water. Ninth, support renewable energy sources. This can include investing in solar panels or choosing energy providers that use renewable sources. Lastly, recycle and properly dispose of waste. This reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and contributes to pollution. So there you have it, 10 simple ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Don't forget to write in the comments section that you've subscribed to our channel and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.